5. He crossing. Natapikan.
And recover number 10 is stop.
Pull-up jumper at the free throw line and here's number 2. He pass to the middle. Number 9 drives to the hoops. Bucket for 2. Fires on 3. No good. Rebound and a putback shot. Tinapboard pa and inside. Binabit. Oh! Grabing tira yun! Counted in! Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ilocos Norte Intertown Da Vinci Cup para sa laban ng Dingras at Banna. And another jump ball. And first ball possession, Banna ng 3. Number 28 to number 14. Holds the ball. He pass to number 10. Corner 3. Short. Battle for the rebound. Dingras. And here's number 5. He crossed the mid lane. Natapikan. And recover number 10. He stop. Pull up jumper at the free throw line. And here's number 14. He pass to number 10. He drives. He fires. No good. Rebound number 21. For Team Dingras, here's number 5. He crosses the mid lane. Carlos, he drives to the middle. He passes to the corner. One bump. He fires. Yes, sir. Here's number 2. He passes to the middle. Number 9 drives to the hoops. Bucket for 2. And here's number 10. Natapikan. And here's number 14. Binitbit. Easy 2. 5 pouring score natin mga idol. And bang! And here's number 10. Pass to the middle, number 14. Number 2 drives. Hook shot. Wala. Rebounding Banna. Number 10. Pasok. Rebound number 26. He straight to the hoops. Hook. Wala. Rebounding Ras. Umikot. Pasok yan. To number 28, number 9, spins, stops, binangga ulit, nagkabanggan ulit, bang! And here's number 5, Carlos, sa 3, bang! 3 po! Oh, behind the back dribble, number 9, pass inside, pinabit, oh! Grabing tira yun! Counted! Parado. Bumangga. Naagawan. Pass break ngayon. And number 9. Hinabol. Ang bilis mo. For the backdoor inbound. Looking for the receiver. He kicks out. Here's number 9. Fix. Sumegway spin sa floater. No good. Off the target. Rebound number 9. Sesegway. Sa gitna sa 3. Bang! 3. And here you go. Cross pass. Here's number 23 to the middle. One bounce and kicks to the corner. Fires on 3. No good. Rebound and a putback shot. Tinapboard pa. And sa gitna. Here's Parado. Pass break. Binit-bit. Coast to coast. Wala po. The strong. Number 11. Perfect on the free throw for Team Banna. And here's Parado holds the ball. Parado, he stop. He pass to Parado number 8. His spin move. Crossover. Pull up Gia 3. Off the target. Rebound. Mapupunta sa Banna. One and pass. Sa gitna. Libreng-libre. Binit-bit. Target. Parado to Parado. Pass sa corner sa 3. Bang! Number 12. He stops sa 3. Bang! Nina Tabikan. Oh, at the buzzer. Yadaw with the inbound. There's Parado to Yadaw. Fix. Step back. Sa 3. Wala. Battle for the rebound. Still goes to Dingras. The bounce pass to the middle. Na-check. Baseball pass. Na-check pa rin. Hook pass. Saktong-sakto yung pass. Binitbit. Oh! By 1.
23-24. Banna.
Here's Parado. He pass to the corner. Binitbit. Leso. Pal lang inaabot. Parado. Pass on the inside. Bumangga. Bumop. Dapa silang dalawa. He set the logo. He drives. Number 12. Pinasa sa loob. Pinabitin of the window. And to the middle. Parado with the finish. For the inbound, number 27. He passed to number 29. Crossover. Bumangga. Tumira off the window. Here's Parado. Parado. Biglang pumukol ng 3. Bang! Off the glass. Number 12. Between the legs. Dumistansya. Pinasa sa loob. Ball is stolen. And here you go to the hoops. Tuloy-tuloy. Pass. Bound. He kicks out. Number 8, Parado. 2 Parado. Number 11, pull-up jumper. Bucket for 2. Here's Tim Banna. And a pass. Pass. Bucket. And the long pass. Dire-diretso, may foul. Uy. And 36-29 score. Stolen. Here's number 29. To the hoops. Oh, dalawang peke. Parado to Parado. Pass to Yadaw. To Parado, number 8. Wild open for 3. Bang! Parado, ball stolen. Here's number 11, Parado. Lace, no good. Pass on the inside. Parado to Parado. 10-point lead for Team Banna. Number 28 to the inside. One bounce. Pinabitin of the glass. Ang is Parado. Pipinasa. Sa loob. Tinapboard. Wala. Nagtapikan yung magkasama. Sinagaw Parado. To the corner. He attacks. Sa gitna Parado. Pate. Pull-up jumper. Bucket for 2. And here you go. Team Banna. And recovers. Number 9. Kicks out. Open for 3. Bang! 3. And here's number 7. Natapikan. Ball is stolen. Number 6 to the hoops. Number 55. Here's Parado to Yadaw. And alley-oop pass sa loob. Bagsak si Idol. And here's your pass break. Binitbit. Pinabitin. Bakit po? Sa gitna. Number 7. Parado. Alley-oop pass with the perfect finish. And a pass break. Pinabitin. And here's Team Banna. Number 9. Sa 3. Bang! 3. And pass on the inside lace to Palpal. And rebound number 9. Pass on the inside. Oop. Pabord pala. And number 7 pinabitin. Bucket for 2. And number 13 Agmata. He pass to the inside. Alley-oop pass again with the finish by Carlos. And it's number 9 Ramos. Ramos. He stops sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Ramos. And the long pass. Sa gitna, pinabitin. Floater. Yeah. Pass. And here's Team Banna. Number 55. To the hoops. Yes, sir. And here's number 5, Carlos. Carlos, poop. Bumangga dun sa pader. Napostehan si Idol. To the rim. That's the end. And here you go. Ball possession Banna. Number 9. To number 10. Pass back number 9. He stops sa 3. Off the target. Mapupunta sa Dingras. Pass break, pinasa pabalik Carlos, ang lakas, rebound. Oh, the tip in. And 6-point lead, Team Dingras. Pull up jumper, Agmata, wala. Rebound, Supalpal. And to the corner. Yadaw. He attacks, stop, pull up jumper at the corner, no good. Rebound, Supalpal na naman. And attacks sa loob. Ay stolen. And 2-on-1 ang laban. Number 14 pinasa. Pabalik. Floater of the glass. Yes sir. And is Parado. Alley-oop pass. Ang lakas. Pull up J, bucket. Number 7 for Team Ding Ras. Agmata tuloy. Oh, too strong. And recover Carlos. Kicks out. Parado, bang, 3-1. And it's number 14 to the hoops. Sobra, libre. Here's Carlos. Pass to Agmata, crossover move. Kicks out sa 3. Bang, trip. The long pass. Sa gitna, one bounce. Hook shot. Pasok na naman. Wild open for 3. Bang, parado. Pass break. Here is sa gitna. Ramos. Corner. Sa 3. No good. Rebound. Naagaw. Sa gitna. Libre. Bucket for 2. And 7-point lead Ding Ras. Pinabitin. Wala. Long pass. Nauna na naman. Binitbit. Back to 2. And here's Parado, number 11, kicks out, naagawan. And here's Ramos, umegway. Umatake, nakalusot. Ramos. In and out, rebound, put back. Oh, basket and 1 pass. Long pass, 2-on-1 ang laban. Focus, palpal. Oh. And here's Ramos, setting the play. Ramos. Step back. To number 14. Sa 3. No good. Up. Backdoor inbound. Looking for the receiver. Bounce pass. Fires off the glass. Bucket for 2. And number 8 Parado. Pinasa. Bounce pass inside. Libre. Bucket for 2. And 3-point lead Ding Ras. And here's crazy space. Spins. Wild open for the tie. Bam! Tie! Nabitawan yung bola. Nag-dive para sa bola. Parado. Pass to number 21. Side step. Fires. Bucket. Parado. Pass to Parado. Parado. Pass to Parado ulit. Parado pa rin. Parado tumira ng 3. Bam! By Parado. Hey! Libre. Bucket. Number 9. Pinasa sa gitna. Eksakto yung spin. In and out. And now pass break. Wala. And easy to. Number 29 crossover. Sa gitna. Drives. No look pass inside. Fires. Bucket. Inbound for Team Ding Ras. And zumigzag. Libre sa gitna. Wala. Tips in. Bucket for 2. Shoot. And number 7. Bounce pass. Pull up J. No good. Rebound. Put back. Floater. Yes sir. And here's number 12. Bump. Sa gitna. Naagaw na naman. Number 3, binitbit lay, CC 2 po. Number 29, sa gilid, side step, fires off the glass, yes sir. Here's Team Ding Ras, number 7. He stop, he pass to the corner, he drives. Naagaw. Pass break, number 27, bumangga, pinabitin. In and out. Long pass, pass back. Kinaliwa, bucket for 2. Team Ding Ras. Spins. Pick sa gitna. Leash. Yes, sir. 2 points. And here's number 12. He drives to the hoops of the window. Money. And stops his Parado, number 10. To the middle. Number 12, Lace. Yes, sir. Number 3, floater. Bucket. Number 14, Costo. So give off, pinabitin of the glass. Money. And number 9, Ramos. Number 14, Costo. Step back. Number 10, Lace. Bucket. Lumusot. Hook pass. Parado fix. Stops. Sa 3. Short. Costo. Costo drives. To the host. Pinabitin. And 1. Stolen. Pinabitin. Wala. Bounce. Spins fast. Bucket for 2. And it's number 9. Between the legs. Parado. Stops at tupalpal. And it's number 26. Pasqua. To the hoop. CC2. Here's Ramos. Kicks out. Fakes. Drives. Sa gilid. Saktong-sakto yung pasa. And 9-point lead. Here's Parado number 10. Number 8 Parado. To Parado sa 3. Parado. Wala. Number 2. Baseball pass. Number 14. Uy! Hindi man lang. 8-point lead. For Team Dingras. Here's Ramos. Sumegway. Pinasa sa loob. Number 2. Fires off the glass. And down to 6 points. And here's Team Dingras. Bounce pass. Pull up J. Pocket. Bound. Looking for the receiver. Parado. Bounce pass inside. Sa loob. Libreng-libre. Here's Ramos to the hoops. No good. Parado. Nauna. Pinasa kay Parado. Uy! Long pass. Liz. Bucket for 2. 1 minute left. Long pass. Crossover. Stops. Sa gitna. Pinasa ang gandang pasa. Ang lakas. Baseball pass. Nauna. Eksakto yung pasa. Oh! And natapikan. Naaga ulit. Sa 3. Short. Rebound. Sa 3. Bang! 3 points! Nagaw! Oh, may foul! May... First free throw. No basket. Second throw. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, Team Dingras.